Hello, let's learn the structure of the skin. So skin has three main layers. The outermost layer is the epidermis. Okay, so it starts from here up to here. Okay, so this is epidermis. Then the second layer is dermis, which contain the blood vessels and the sensory nerve receptor and the appendages. So this one is dermis from here to the hair. Okay, so this is the second layer, the dermis, and the third and the innermost layer is the hypodermis, which consists of fat cells and the major blood vessels. Okay, so inside the dermis is the hypodermis. Okay, so the outermost layer is the epidermis, and further the epidermis is divided into sub layers. The outermost layer is the stratum corneum. Okay, then after the stratum corneum is stratum lucidum. The third layer is stratum granulosum, which is the granular layer. Then the prickle cell layer, which is the stratum spinosum, and the innermost germinal layer is stratum basale. Okay, so these are the six sub layers of the epidermis. Then the dermis, this is dermis, and the dermis is divided into the papillary dermis, okay, and the reticular layer. Okay, so the outermost layer is papillary layer, this one is papillary layer, and the inner layer of the dermis is reticular layer. Okay, so this is about the dermis. Then the skin contains the free nerve ending, including the free sensory receptors. Okay, sorry, the skin has sensory receptors consisting of the free nerve ending, which detect the pain and temperature sensation. Then the Meissner corpuscles. Okay, so these are the Meissner corpuscle. Okay, and the Meissner corpuscles detect the light touch. Then the third sensory receptor is Pacinian corpuscle. This one is Pacinian corpuscle, and it detects the vibration sense. Okay, so this is about the sensory receptors. So the skin has three sensory receptors: the free nerve endings, the Meissner corpuscles, and the Pacinian corpuscles. Then the skin has appendages, skin appendages, which is composed of hair follicles. So this is hair follicle, one hair follicle, this is another. So here contains the hair follicles. The hair follicles has these five layers, which consist of the outer layer is connective tissue layer, then inside is the glassy membrane, then inside the glassy membrane is the external sheath, the fourth layer is internal sheath, and the innermost layer is the cuticle of the hair. Okay, so this is about the structure of the hair follicle. Then the hair follicle has also the hair matrix. Okay, and the blood vessels travels to the hair follicle through the papilla of the hair follicle. Okay, so it is about one appendage of the hair, which is the hair follicle. Then hair follicle also contain this muscle which runs from the hair follicle, which connect the hair follicle to the papillary dermis, and this muscle is called erector pili muscle, and erector pili muscle helps in the erection of the hairs. Okay, so this is the erector pili, one of the appendage of the skin. Then the other is the sebaceous gland. This one is sebaceous gland. Okay, this is sebaceous gland, and sebaceous gland secrete the sebum, which is secreted directly into the hair follicle. So this is about the sebaceous gland. Then this coiled structure in the skin is the sweat glands, which has the duct which opens into the outside of the skin through the pores, skin pores. Okay, pores of the sweat glands. So it is about the sweat glands. Then the hypodermis of the skin. Okay, the fatty layer, and it contains the major blood vessels, arteries, and veins, which gives branches, and then its branches travels up to the papillary layer of the dermis into the dermal papillae.